Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and today we're in the kitchen talking about something we all love. Sugar. It's in everything from your morning coffee to your favorite desserts. But with all the buzz about sugar being unhealthy, how do we know which type is actually good for us? Don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to give up sweets entirely. Instead, I'm breaking down the best and worst types of sugar for your health so you can enjoy your sweet treats guilt-free. We'll dive into the science behind different sugars and I'll give you practical tips to make healthier choices. So grab a seat, maybe a cup of tea, hold the sugar for now, and let's get started. Let's be real for a second. Not all sugars are created equal. Think of it like this. Would you rather fuel your body with premium, high-octane fuel or something cheap that's going to cause damage in the long run? The wrong kind of sugar, and we'll get to those in a bit, can lead to weight gain, those dreaded energy crashes in the middle of the day, and even long-term health issues like diabetes. And trust me, as a doctor, preventing those conditions is way easier than treating them. But here's the good news. The right type of sugar, when consumed in moderation, can actually fuel your body and even offer some surprising health benefits. That's right, some sugars are actually good for you. So how do you know which ones to choose? Well, stick around because that's exactly what we're going to cover. All right, let's talk about the sugars that deserve a spot in your pantry. First up, we have honey. Not only is it deliciously sweet, but raw honey is a nutritional powerhouse. We're talking antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, it has natural antibacterial properties. Just make sure you're getting raw honey, as the processed stuff loses a lot of its benefits. Next, we have coconut sugar. This trendy sweetener has taken the health world by storm, and for good reason. It's lower on the glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar as much as regular sugar. That means more sustained energy and fewer cravings. Now let's talk dates. Date sugar, made from whole dates, is a natural winner because it's full of fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Fiber is key for digestive health and keeping you feeling full, while potassium and magnesium are essential minerals many of us don't get enough of. Moving on to a classic maple syrup. It's not just for pancakes, folks. Pure maple syrup contains zinc and manganese, which are important for supporting your immune system. Just be sure to check the label and choose 100% pure maple syrup, not the artificial stuff loaded with high fructose corn syrup. And last but not least, we have molasses. Often overlooked, molasses is a rich source of iron, calcium, and magnesium. A great choice if you're looking to add some extra nutrients along with sweetness. Now, let's be real. There are some sugars you should definitely avoid or at least limit as much as possible. First on the list is refined sugar. That white or brown sugar sitting on your counter? It's basically empty calories with no nutritional value. It's like that friend who shows up to the party empty-handed. No thanks. Next up, artificial sweeteners. Yes, they're calorie-free, but studies show they may actually disrupt your gut health and even increase sugar cravings. Plus, they just don't taste as good. Remember, when it comes to your health, natural is always better. These refined and artificial sugars might seem tempting in the short term, but trust me, your body will thank you for choosing the natural alternatives. Now, before you go on a shopping spree stocking up on honey and maple syrup, remember that the absolute best sugar sources are the natural ones found in whole foods. Let's talk about fruit. Yes, fruit contains fructose, which is a type of sugar, but it's also packed with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and water. That fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those energy spikes and crashes. Milk is another example. Its natural sugar, lactose, comes balanced with protein and calcium to keep you feeling full and satisfied. The key takeaway here is that nature knows best. Choosing whole foods over processed foods is always the best way to nourish your body and get the right kind of sugar. All right. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to put this knowledge into action. First and foremost, read your labels. Sugar hides in some surprising places, so get in the habit of checking the ingredient list of anything you buy. Next, start making simple swaps. Instead of reaching for white sugar in your recipes, try honey or maple syrup. Use date sugar to sweeten your oatmeal or smoothies. These small changes can make a big difference over time. And remember, even with healthier sugars, moderation is key. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugar to less than 6 to 9 teaspoons a day. Don't try to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by making small, sustainable changes and gradually incorporate more whole foods and natural sweeteners into your routine. So there you have it. Sugar doesn't have to be the villain in your diet. It's all about making informed choices and listening to your body. What's your go-to sweetener? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want more easy tips for living your healthiest life, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got coming next. Stay sweet and healthy, everyone.